Good evening. I've been at work here, literally and figuratively, modifying this ATX power supply. I had a picture up or a video of me starting the process, and I did all the wiring tonight and put on the Anderson power connectors, and these things are great. Just snap in and out, and of course with the plug that I needed, and this way I can use it for whatever. I did go a little big on the two feeds here. I should have gone a couple sizes smaller, but it worked. So, but as you can see, we're going to use a ground to trigger, and ooh, there you go. Take it off. So I was lucky enough that there was only one trigger wire, and there were 4 or 5 other wires that were different power feed, very small power feeds out of there. I desoldered them, removed them as I won't need them. These are the main ones, and luckily for this vehicle, the 12 volt and 5 volt is pretty much what we need as far as power feeds. So that worked out great. And we'll go ahead and finish this up. I've got to grab the schematic and figure out where these guys go. I know these are for a sensor, CAN bus, and these guys are for something else. But nice progress tonight.